Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Here we're going to be looking at a new footbridge that has finally taken a step forward at the cost of £13 million if it is eventually built. Proposals for a new crossing at the A629 between Steeton and Silsden date back years, but progress on the major project has finally been made. Bradford Council and the West Yorkshire Combined Authority recently held a public consultation on the project, which will see a combined pedestrian and cycle bridge built over the busy road. The feedback from the consultation has helped shape plans for the bridge, and new images showing what the crossing will look like have now been released. However, the costly project is only one part of wider plans, with a second phase to create new paths from the centres of Steeton and Silsden to the bridge currently unfunded. Reports written after the consultation say more than 600 residents responded, with 85% expressing support for the proposed bridge. There was also strong public backing for the proposed new crossing points and ramp linking the railway station to Station Road. One person responding to the consultation argued that an underpass or traffic light crossing would be better options. West Yorkshire Combined Authority responded, saying a bridge was considered the best option that aligned with the project's objectives, as it achieved the separation required between traffic and those walking, wheeling or cycling to improve safety for all users. Furthermore, there is less impact on traffic flow compared to a signalised crossing, and there are greater safety and security benefits compared to an underpass. Flood risk would also be minimised when compared to an underpass, so there. One respondent said, "I'm concerned about the unauthorised access by vehicles onto the bridge, so the authority said it will now install additional bollards at either side of the bridge in response to these concerns." Another said the design should allow for horse riders to use the bridge. In response, the authority says the feasibility of accommodating equestrian users the bridge is being reviewed. One respondent raised concerns over the huge cost of the bridge. In response, the authority said, "Who cares?" No, they didn't really. They said the bridge will be funded through the City Region Sustainable Transport Settlement, subject to the development of a successful business case. The funding is separate from council revenue funding for council services and is ring-fenced by central government for use only to deliver sustainable transport improvements and cannot be spent on council services. So make of that what you will. The next stage of the project involves the submission of a planning application, and once planning is approved, the project team will move forward with the procurement of a construction partner. A full business case will be submitted to the West Yorkshire Combined Authority in early 2026, and if the planning application and full business case are approved, big if, the new bridge is expected to open in spring 2027. So there we go, folks. What do you think about the cost of the bridge and also the need for the bridge? Please do put the answers in the comments down below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a like, share, and also consider subscribing to my channel. And until the next video, please take care of yourselves, and ta-ra for now.